Hi, my name's Nigel. I'm an electrical instructor at Logic4training. So you want to become an electrician. This is a great time to do so. Electricity is everywhere and it's definitely the future. So the full route to becoming an electrician is to study for the 2365, Level 2 and Level 3 diplomas in electrical installation. Then you go on to the NVQ Level 3, which is a practical qualification, and finish with the AM2. And that will lead to you obtaining an ECS Gold Card. To help you achieve this aim, Logic4training has devised 4 packages: Bronze, Silver, Gold and Platinum. You can start with our Bronze package. That will give you the 2365 Level 2 Diploma in Electrical Installation work, plus some first aid and health and safety courses, and it's perfect if you want to become an electrical labourer on site, for example. If you'd like to go a bit further, there's our Silver package. This introduces essential site skills, portable appliance testing, and most importantly, the IEE wiring regulations. This is essential for electrical work and makes you stand out against the other applicants when applying for a job. If you're aiming to be a fully qualified electrician, then the Gold package offers the 2365 diploma at both levels 2 and level 3. It also includes the initial verification course, which would allow you to inspect and test your own installations. Finally, there's the Platinum package. This builds on the in-centre practical work that you will have completed in the level 2 and level 3 qualifications by doing an on-site portfolio. This leads to a full NVQ in electrical installation work. Also included in the Platinum package is the AM2. This is an endpoint assessment. It's a bit like a driving test, and this will allow you to apply for a Gold Card. The ECS Gold Card is the final recognition of your full competence as an electrician. It's often called a golden ticket because it will allow you access to many construction sites. We've also included a periodic inspection and testing qualification as part of the Platinum package. This will allow you to do periodic inspections on properties, landlord certificates and things like that. Once you've completed your basic training as an electrician, there are many ways that you can specialise. Installing solar PV systems, electric vehicle chargers, or even battery storage systems are all part of exciting new technologies that you can put into buildings. So, however far you want to go with the electrical industry, Logic4training has over 23 years in the training industry, expert and friendly instructors, and 4 state-of-the-art training centres conveniently located around London. So, if you want to start an exciting career in the electrical industry, give us a call. We'll be happy to help and look forward to seeing you soon.